Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to register for the Plantworx exhibition. So first of all, go to app.plantworx.co.uk. There you will see this screen with a Register Now button. When you click on there, you'll see the registration form. So all of this is fairly self-explanatory. Most of the fields are mandatory, so need to be completed. Something that's worth noting is the email address field, which is really important. That will be used to send your tickets to later. And that has to be a unique email address. So if you're registering on behalf of somebody else, you need to put their details and their email address in. The other important field is at the bottom here. So for most people, you will just leave that as a visitor. But if you're an exhibitor or part of the press, then you need to change that drop down there to the appropriate option. If you do that, you will be contacted later and authorised as one of those, so you get the correct ticket type. Then the final thing before you click register is to accept the privacy policy and the terms here. So once you do that, you click register and you'll be emailed a confirmation of your login with your username and password. Thanks.